What's up guys, Mitch here. Now let's talk chassis bracing and why you need one for your dual cab four-wheel drive. So chassis bracing. Today we're here with an MB Triton getting R&D done on our brand new chassis brace kit. Tritons have been one of the vehicles we've seen over the years that are more common to a failed chassis when loaded up with a canopy or even towing the big caravan. But it's not just the Tritons. We see this across the entire range of modern dual cab four-wheel drives where they have a common weak point right behind the cab in all the dual cabs. With our chassis brace plates, we make these out of 4mm mild steel. And the reason behind that is you can't over brace a chassis. If you go ahead and box this all in with some extremely high tensile materials, you're just going to move the failure point to somewhere else in the chassis rail and it's going to fail anyway. So we have to maintain the factory flex and make sure these chassis still do have that movement in them, but we're getting rid of the failure point and what causes them to snap. Let's check out the install process of our chassis brace plates and how we get the best result for your chassis every time. All right, so we've now got the chassis all prepped and ready to weld out. What we'll then do, now this has all been cleaned, wax and grease removed to get all the grinding dust and everything off, we'll do the exact same to the plates, as our plates are SA5 zinc coated, so we don't want that putting any porosity in the welds. Once we get the plates cleaned up, we'll get them on here, tacked into place, and the boys will start welding it out. All right, so the guys have now gone and got the chassis brace all welded in. What you'll see is this chassis brace is stitch welded. Now, the reason we do that is that doesn't create any other weak points in the chassis. Yes, we are bracing it, but what we want to do, or what we don't want to do, is over brace the chassis. Completely seam welding this in is going to make this entire part of the chassis rails stiff, and you're going to create a weak point somewhere else. So we stitch weld them in, and that's how our engineers want it done to make sure we don't create weak spots elsewhere. Now the boys will come in, they'll give this a clean up with some wax and grease remover, and then we'll go ahead and Sikaflex all around the plates in the parts that we haven't welded to make sure there's no leaking or any way for water to get in between the plates. Then after that's done, they're going to completely chassis wax the inside of the rails where all the welding's been done to make sure we've got the best rust protection, and then that one can go ahead and get painted. And with our chassis brace plates, we get complete design approval, so these can be engineered in each state. Maintaining your vehicle is 100% street legal. So if you want to see how we can protect your chassis, jump over superiourengineering.com.au and check out what we have for your model.